Today I'm going to show you how to make a pop-up card. Here is an example of a pop-up card. It is a thank you card. When you open it up, a picture pops up. You're going to need several things. You're going to need 2 pieces of paper for your card, 2 pieces that are about the same size. If you cut this in half, you can make 2 cards. You can have 1 card, this could be 1 card, and then this could be another card. Or you can make 1 kind of medium to large size card. It's okay if one of the papers is a little bit smaller. Just like in my example, the white paper is smaller than the blue paper. It doesn't have to be smaller, but that's okay if it is. And then you need a smaller piece of paper for the inside pop-up part. You also need, if you have colored paper, that's great. You could use colored paper. You also need a writing utensil, a pencil, or a black marker. If you are using a black marker, make sure you have something underneath your project to keep the marker from bleeding through the paper and getting all over your table. You also need something to glue with, a glue stick or liquid glue or tape. If you do not have these 2 items or one of these items, you can even use a little bit of jam or jelly if you have that. Just you can use that as a little bit of glue. The first thing we're going to do, and actually that is all of the materials that we need for today. First step, fold the paper in half. So we're going to make the inside first, and we're going to fold this paper in half. So this will be the inside of my card. I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to line up the edges and the corners. After I have lined it up, then I press down. Okay, we're going to keep it folded, and we're going to draw 2 lines right here in the middle. It's going to be about that wide and about that up to here. So I'm going to go from here to here and then here to here. So they're the same height. Next step, cut on your pencil line or your marker line. You'll have a little flap. We're going to fold it up and press it down. Make a nice crease. We're going to flip it over, and we're going to crease it on the other side too. We're going to take this and flip it again so we have a nice crease. Then we're going to place it back and open up the card. Okay. Then you take your fingers and you kind of lift up that middle section, and we're going to use both of our hands and fingers, left and right fingers, to crease it the other way. We want this crease to go this way instead of the other way. So now we're almost there. What we're going to do is we want this crease to fold in towards the middle. So we're going to make sure that that crease is going towards the middle, and we're going to gently fold this and press it down. Now we are ready to insert our picture. Hopefully you already know what kind of card you want to make. You can make a birthday card, you can make a thank you card, you can make a have a nice day card, or even Mother's Day card, which is coming up next weekend or this weekend. Welcome to part 2 of the pop-up card art lesson. For part 2, I do not want you to follow along. I want you to just watch, and so that you can finish your pop-up card at home when you have time. The next step is to create a picture to glue to your insert and also to think of a message to write. I have decided that my pop-up card is going to be a birthday card. So I have already created my message and the picture to go on the inside. I'm just going to show you how to glue it. So here's my message. And you can think of any message that you feel like would be best for your card. And you can also draw a picture that will go with your card. So for example, you could add balloons instead of a birthday cake. I'm just going to rub some glue on the insert, just the bottom part, not the top of the insert. And I'm going to fold this down gently just to make sure everything is lined up. The last step is to create the outside of the card. So this is the outside of the card, and this is the inside. And I'm just going to add some glue on the corners here. On the edges. You don't need to put glue on all of the paper, just on the edges. And once you do that, you will have a nice pop-up card. This is the pop-up card I made for Mother's Day. It says, "To Mom from me. Happy Mother's Day." All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson and I hope you have fun making your pop-up card.